Okay, as you can see, put the triple tree off. Got everything else over here off. That one, both of the clip-ons with the 3-inch risers. I liked it that they were risers. Trying to lay this here because I got to get to these brakes. From when I was looking just a second ago, so I can see with the flashlight here. Cause I'm almost ready to take it apart. Okay, yeah, see right there? The brakes are hooked in right there where the flashlight is. Hopefully y'all can see that. So, I'm thinking you have to, I may have to unscrew it right here. I'm trying to keep all that liquid from that brake fluid from spilling all over the place. So I think I'm gonna unscrew it right here from the bottom of the triple tree, and then I should be able to bring the whole thing down, and I can put it back together later because I'm trying to save all that brake fluid from being wasted. So yeah, I think I'm gonna pull that clamp there. That should probably help me. What's that, about a 10, I think. I'm gonna try a 10. Yeah, I'm gonna try to just lay this one on the inside. Move this here out the way. Move this out my way. I was trying to keep as much up as I could so that I wouldn't have to worry about it. Okay. Yeah, I should better get that down. There we go. That's down. So, if I can get that out, I should be able to do that. Got somebody outside. Hold on a minute. Okay, so let's see if we can get some of this poured out of here. Take my glove off without too much problem. There you go. Yeah, one of them is white, which means it was probably getting water. Now this is gonna have to, I'm gonna have to prop this up. This is gonna have to sit for a while and drain completely. So even if, no matter how fast I want to do this, it's best to let it sit and drain. So I'm gonna kind of prop this up with something so that it would drain. There we go. And we're gonna just let that sit for a good while and drain everything out of it. I may have to take these tubes out because, like I said, I gotta replace both the fork seal and the dust cover on them. So we're gonna do as much as we have to. Also, while I had this like this, I may pull the bottom bolt completely out so when I get ready to take these apart. Because if I could have got this, I may be able to get one of the screws loose. What I'm saying is, if I could get these loose, and I probably could figure something out, then I'll be able to bring them apart after I remove the pinch bolt at the bottom, the bolt at the bottom, holding the piston right here. So when I get ready to put them in there, I can put everything, slide up from this side. As long as I get one loose, I could be able to move it, you know. So I will try again to get those out. But I'm gonna let this drain, and once that drain, I'll bring you back to show you some more of the steps of just doing this yourself, you know, because like I said, it's not a hard job. It's just that you see it's dirty. That's all it is. All right, y'all, let's let that drain. Okay, on the fork reveal, I had to go get me some shop towels. The fluid I've been letting drain for a good while. Went and got me some automatic transmission fluid. I know some people gonna say something about that, but back in the day, that's all they had. That's what they used. Matter of fact, if you check some of the older bikes, that's what it was. What was in it? What was recommended? Okay, so I went ahead and took this piece off, and these two. So you can see just how bad it was. I couldn't get the fender off, so I'm gonna have to try to work with it like this. I have the little clip still in there. I gotta try to get that clip out of there next. Just trying to I sprayed a little what, you know, I don't know what the hell is that? Oh, look, penetrating oil. Yeah, I put a little penetrating oil in there to try to hopefully get. I gotta get those clips out of there. Then once I get the clips out of there, I'm gonna get the bolts at the bottom. Also, I do need to look inside of here. Hopefully, I can see. Yeah, you see, I'm trying to look down there to see. If anything holding them, but I already cracked the bottom screws and loosened them. Try to get those out, because I'm gonna have to get those probably, if I remember right. It's been a little minute. After I get the clips here, when I get ready to bring them apart, I have to have that apart down there. So my seals. So I'm letting that sit for a second. Then I'm gonna come back, like I say, pull them at the bottom. The reason I let it sit is because I know oil gonna come out the bottom when I take the bottom screws out. You know, you can see it better now. You can see that white, that milky. That meant water. Yeah, I had water in these forks. I know I felt it. And it's also, I gotta check the radiator. It seemed like the bike got hot to me. Okay, guess the next thing is start trying to pop that clip. I have a little small clip right off in here, and she better get it with a flat screwdriver, small flat screwdriver. It's not like a you know, little O-ring clips, just a regular little clip to keep it in right there. All right, y'all, I gotta try to get that out. All right, y'all, so this is the clips I'm talking about here. I got one here. I got the other one out. Oh man, I just pushed it back in. These are clips. You get one side and you just kind of work it out the groove, you know. That's all it basically is. These jokers so old to had trouble. All right, got those. And now let me see. Might have the right one on here already. We're gonna try one of them at the bottoms here. Let's see if we get one of these loose. Nope, might not be the right one. I can't tell. Yeah, I think that's it. Yep. Yeah, that was it. That was it. Okay, that's one. Get the other one. Come on, use. And that's number 2. Got both of the bottom ones. Okay. Perfect. Moving on. I'm also trying to keep things all together, you know. Okay. Got both of them, so I should be able to get the what you call it at the bottom. So let me try one over here. You know. See if I can get one of them out. Trying to hold these jokers and everything is not easy. Okay, there go one. That's what I was trying to get the pump. That's one. Another pump. And that's 2. Taking them out because I'm going to have to clean all that up. And go have to clean the inside the tubes also. Alright. Good going, baby boy. Now you can make a tool for this if you just need to. I've never had to get them out of there. Okay. Make sure I got everything. Alright, we good. I gotta get this in a vise somewhere, y'all.